Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so Sunday night we gapped up, and it was sold into from 47, and the bears had another opportunity yesterday to roll the market over, and they couldn't do it. We put in a pretty strong hammer on the daily chart, and we're seeing some follow through today. The thing I'm really looking at today is the 1338 area. You've got the daily pivot and the 45-day pivot that are within a handle of each other at 1338 half. So I would expect that area to be a magnet for price and a point of control as we move forward. I really would be surprised if we didn't get an inside day today. We've done 44.75. I would expect it to stay within the 47.5 from Sunday night, and I would expect the lows from yesterday to hold. We're starting a two-day Fed meeting, so the urge to put on any big directional bets ahead of tomorrow's meeting, considering it's the interest rate announcement plus the forecast plus the Bernanke press conference, people are probably going to hold off on doing anything really big until we hear from the Fed tomorrow. There's no major economic news today. We've got building permits and housing starts, so that's not going to move anything. We're going to have to keep an eye on the bond yields out of Europe, Spanish and Italian bonds, and keep an eye on whether Greece is really going to put together a coalition government in the next couple of days. If that happens, those bond yields start to come in a little bit, that's all bullish for the market. The bulls have been able to take out 42. If they're able to hold up here and take out 47, then you could really see them punch through that upper Bollinger Band on the daily chart up around 54.5. So as far as upside targets, that's what I'm looking for. But I really am looking for a two-sided trade today, an inside day, considering the big range that we put in yesterday. Let's look at support and resistance. The current trade is 1344.5. So on the upside, I've got 47, 54.5, and then we get into some big numbers because you're going to see things jump exponentially as we get into these big areas. I've got 66.80, 76.90, and 89.60 are my big targets up there. But we've got to get to 54.5 first. On the downside, you got daily and 45 in the 1338 half area. Below that, you've got the 50-day exponential, the 3 and 9-day pivots all coming in between 1331 and 1334. So I would expect that to be a secondary support zone after 38. Below that, you've got 1327, 1323, 70, and 1319.20. And that should get us through today. Don't forget you've got the 200-day and 20-day exponential moving averages coming in between 1312 and 1314. So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader from Mr. Topstep. I will see everybody tomorrow morning with another webcast. Tomorrow's a Fed day, so we got to be on our toes. Trade them well, and I'll see you then.